Welcome back to Helpful Garage. So I've just bought this 2019 Chevrolet Spark. This is actually the base model. It's actually probably about the cheapest car you could buy brand new. And so we're going to show you around it a little bit and show you what you can actually get for $8,500. So this one is raspberry metallic. It has the 1.4 4-cylinder and it has a 5-speed. Now as for the interior, it does have manual locks and manual windows, but you still have Android Autoplay. What is the iPhone one? I don't have an iPhone, but it has the iPhone thing for the stereo system. So I'm going to show you the interior on this car. Actually, I'll put the key in it. You see now it does not have cruise, but as far as the amenities, it is pretty nice. So it does have a hatch, so you got pretty good space in here, and the seats fold down. You're able to unlatch them from the rear. A decent space for a little car. It is a 4-door, and the back seat is actually quite comfortable, unlike some cars. And I'm about 5'10", 5'11". I'll show you the back seat. I actually have really good room in here. My head doesn't touch the ceiling. It does have cup holders, unlike European cars. And we'll show you this little engine up underneath the hood. Alright, so here's our little Ecotec. And once again, this is just a small 1.4. The fuel mileage actually on this thing is 39.2. That's what I've been averaging. And if you actually look back in here, this is your intake. And as you can tell, the head is about half the size of the engine. So the reason I bought this car is actually it wasn't put on the road until October of 2019. And right now it is still September of 2020. So it's been on the road for less than a year. It is a certified new or certified used, but it only had 18,000 miles on it, and the MSRP on this car is about 13,000. It can run up to 16 if you get the active model, but with this base model only having 18,000 miles on it, I was able to get it for 8,500 bucks. So we'll show you a little startup and maybe a drive around and show you the comfortability of it. So with this car, it does come with the backup camera. And even on this base model, it does have hill assist. And it will hold the brake for about a second if you're on a hill, so you can actually initiate your roll forward as you're going. The shifter, honestly, it just feels like butter. It goes right into each gear. And with this small of a car, it has a very small wheelbase, so it does turn very well. It's pretty good get up in first gear. And one of the other main reasons I bought this thing was, once again, it does still have the manufacturer's warranty. I bought it from Abernathy Jeep in Lincoln, North Carolina, and it still has not only the manufacturer's warranty, but it comes with an optional dealer warranty that will cover me for 7 years. 7 years, 100,000 miles. So it's a very smooth drive. Now this is not a fast car. If I wanted a sports car, I would have bought a sports car. But as for being able to drive around the city and its comfortability, and still being a 5-speed, with the automatic, you know, you just don't get that same amount of fun. But overall, it's a pretty good car.